Alright, so the next icon that's on my phone that I'm going to build is that of the music app. Now that is represented by the compact disc, the CD. It's in round shape, it has a center in here, and since if you have seen a CD, some of the kids of this generation might not have seen a compact disc, but if you can search on Google, you will be able to see a lot of images of disc. And so I'm going to give it a yellow color. So this is the rounded shape, and in it has its reflection. It goes something like this, and it goes out something like this. It's like the yellow is basically the white, and the rest of the area is kind of grayish, which give it that reflective surface that I'll try and build in this one. So let's build it and we'll see how it goes. So since it's a disk, I'm going to press L ellipse tool, hold shift alt, build out a circle. For the moment I can set the stroke to none and give this kind of a, let's just give it grayish color for the moment. Or maybe I should give it just white for now. Now what I need is I need to add gradient to it to make it look like it's a reflective surface, grayish on this side, grayish on this side, the white reflection on this side. That will need to apply a gradient to it, and I need to select gradient. I can either click on it and put this linear gradient and add something here, icon here, and one point here and one point here, and try to give it different shades, little grayish here, little grayish here, the white in the middle, but it won't be the accurate representation of what I'm trying to build here. So if I go with the radial, it still won't make any sense. What I'm going to choose is the freedom gradient. In that way I can add points wherever I want. I'll add one here right in the middle, and I'll drag this one here and kind of bring it here, and this one here, this here, and I'll add one here. So this gives me this area. If I take the brush, and this is the kind of area, the inner part should look whitish, the outer should look grayish, and that will give me what I'm trying to achieve here. So I can go back into the gradient and take this guy, open the gradients panel, and I don't need to open in this case since it's individually. I can select the tone and bring it here, and somewhere roughly around here. It's the value. I'll copy it, Control C, press OK, select this one, go here, paste the value, press tab and press OK. Now select this one and make it pure white. Same with this one, make it white. Same with this one, let's just make it white. So it's getting close to what I want to build. Yeah, it does look more like the reflection of a compact disc. I can push this guy a little bit in here and bring this little bit in here. And this should do. Now I need to make the center of the CD. For that I'll just click out, find the center here, hold shift alt and draw out a circle like so, and go to the stroke, increase the, I need to apply a color, I'll make it black, and then I need to go into the stroke and increase the stroke width like so. Keep it at 3, that should look fine. Maybe I need to increase the size a little bit. Hold Alt Shift, increase it, and keep the stroke just to 3. And it's in red color on my phone, and this is completely white. Yep, pure white. And that's it. That's pretty much it. I can increase it a little bit more. So undo, Control Shift, a little bit more. And in fact, I can select this shape, go here in gradients and select this. It's pure white. I'll just reduce it a tad bit, copy the value, press OK, and take this, go here, paste the value, press tab to apply, and OK. And yeah, this looks much better now. This is the what it looks. It also has a black stroke to it. I'm going to set it to black, but a very thin one. Further as you reduce it to 0.75 to 0.5. This is it. Now, since it is rounded, I'm going to apply a squarish kind of a background to it. I'm going to group this together since I'm done with this. After this, I'll select M, give it a square like so. Select both the object and align them properly. If there is any difference, it's already doing well. Now I need to apply a gradient to this, and I'll apply it across this side now. So I'll just press this, select the linear gradient, but I'll do it like this. Come out by pressing V, push it down, go back to the gradient again. Need to select just this one. I'll remove these unnecessary colors. Have just these two. Hold on this one, go back here. Again, it's in the yellowish range. Oops. Go back here, bring it in the yellowish range. Use the other end. That's it. Set the path to none. Now I need to make it better. I'm trying to match it with what's on my phone. So what I'm going to do is I need to push this path a little bit outside to give it that roundedness. For that, I'll go here and select the anchor point tool, come back here and find this point here. It says intersect, and push it a little bit from here. Come back here, it says intersect, and push it a little bit here. Similarly, find the center here as well, push it out ever so slightly, and now go back to the direct selection tool, select this, give all of them a certain roundedness, and now take this, hold Shift Alt, make it smaller, and I think that's pretty much it. This is how it looks like on my phone. There's one more thing that I can do, that is hold this, Control undo. So I just want to push both the sides a little bit in. For that, I'll select the direct selection tool so that I have only this side selected. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Draw over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. It's complete. I'm happy with this. Thank you.